The sky is turning gray. Drip, drop, rain's on its way. Elephant sighs with the splish, splash. Giraffe's neck droops, oh dear, oh gosh. Pitter patter, tiny feet go splat, splat, escada. Zebra stripes are getting blurry. Monkey hides, he's in a hurry. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Lion wants to chase his tail. Kangaroo can't hop. Oh, bound. Boing, grumble. Lion's mane's a mop so wet. Smellies, oh you bet. Acho. Penguin slides. Wait, no, I like ice, not rain below. Slip. Stomp like elephant. Whomp, whomp, home. Stretch like giraffe. Too much gloam. Hop like kangaroo. Bowing. Roar like a lion. Rain be aloof. Parrot flaps with feathers damp. Squawk. I'm wet in my birdie camp. Squawk, plop. A squirrel skips with a tiny hat. Rain can't stop me, fancy that. The puddles grow so big, so wide. Ducklings waddle side to side. Quack, quack. Mouse peeks out with leaf in paw. This rain is wild. Ooh la la. Gasp, giggle. Zebra shivers, tail goes flick. Monkey slips on a mossy stick. Whoa, thud. The friends all huddle trunk to tail. They tell the clouds we will prevail. Together! Yay! Look, a golden sunbeam sparkles, drying up the puddle marks. Shine. Parrot squawks, rain shoo shoo. Now the sky's bright blue. Woohoo! Rain, rain, gone away. Yay! Zoo friends shout hooray. Cheer. Yay! Dancing, laughing all day long. Thank you, sun, for our new song. They splash for fun in leftover puddles. Share big group hugs and giggle cuddles. Splash. Rainbow curls up way up high, painting colors across the sky.
Wow. Rain cloud. You can visit when it's hot, but bring your friend Rainbow, okay? Wink. Deal. Rain cloud. You can visit when it's hot, but bring your friend Rainbow, okay? Wink. Deal.
Thanks for watching and having fun with us today. If you enjoyed the song, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Check out the description below for some free coloring pages you can print and enjoy. See you next time!